Stuffed tomato recipe. Pressure cook 4 cut potatoes. I have added half a cup of fresh thyme. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. I used 6 tomatoes from Gourmet Garden. Now prep your tomatoes. Cut the tops out and scoop the pulp out. I pressure cook for 1 whistle and 3 minutes. Peel the potatoes and mash them. Add salt per taste. Add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well. Add 5 to 6 teaspoons of mozzarella cheese and mix. Prepare a pan and add a baking sheet or mat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the potato filling. Coat the outside with butter. I have added a slice of cheese on 3 of them. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade in the middle row for 20 to 25 minutes. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy the dish. The dish is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe.